Finally, the $20 global business that's changing everything. GreatLife Worldwide makes all other programs obsolete. We offer the hottest, most in-demand lifestyle products. Hundreds of millions of people are searching online for our products and services. We also offer zip code changing income potential. Who are we? For over 25 years, our marketing team has generated billions of dollars in sales and commissions. Yes, we said billions. They've built teams of almost 1 million people in over 100 countries. Right now, we're doing it again. Right now, you can be a founding member at the top of our new 2x16 fast-filling forced global matrix team with our unlimited generations deep coded bonus compensation. Imagine earning 1 million generations deep or more. Again, our plan pays more than any plan out there. And no, we're not a startup. We're a 9-year rock-solid company launching our new GreatLife Worldwide international brand into 200 countries globally. Right now, you can be a part of this huge global opportunity. We offer exclusive world-class nutritional products you can't get anywhere else at a huge discount. Plus, we offer you thousands of dollars worth of the hottest, most in-demand lifestyle products and services, all for pennies on the dollar. Hundreds of millions of people are searching for our products and services. Digital products and e-learning have become almost $500 billion industry in the past 3 years alone. Imagine working out with your own fitness trainer videos, cooking alongside your own personal chef, having access to thousands of dollars worth of the most in-demand audiobooks, ebooks, and courses, all for pennies on the dollar. Right now, you can offer the same turnkey business and these discounted lifestyle products to everyone you know. Everyone can access our digital products within 60 seconds of joining. It's instant. We even offer our rockstar celebrity coach, Reggie Cochran, master martial artist, personal trainer, and life coach to professional athletes and celebrities. Let me ask you, what does every world championship team and every champion athlete have in common? They all have a coach, a trainer. For only $20 a month, you work with our certified life coaches to help improve every area of your life. We coach, we motivate, we inspire you to be your best. And talk about our life-changing business opportunity. We have linked our products and services to the highest paying compensation plan used by the highest paid networkers in the history of our industry. They made millions of dollars a year as distributors with this unlimited generational coded bonus system. No other program even comes close. Again, we make no claims or guarantees. Plus, once you've sponsored your third personal team member and beyond, you can earn up to 1 million levels deep or more. Yes, I said 1 million generations deep, not 5 or 10 generations like most other companies. With our unlimited depth generational coded bonuses on all new enrollments and monthly products purchased in your coded legs, no matter who sponsor them and no matter where they fall into your organization, never blocked with no time restrictions, you can earn up to $9 per product purchased in your generational legs, 1 million levels deep or more. If your team buys 3 products each, you can earn $27 per person compared to $1 or maybe $3 in other programs. Again, no other company's plan even comes close. This is a business. It's important to make the right choice. Let us prove to you and everyone you know that this is it. This is what everyone is looking for. Please take a few minutes to take the free tour and review the website for yourself. You will be blown away.